Jen's our class with Boys and Girls Club. Jen's our class. Join me this week with Jen's our class. Hi guys, this week's Boys and Girls Club art activity from home is making cards. So, what do you need? You need some magazines, some way to cut paper, some sort of glue, and some paper, of course. So, what did I do? I went ahead and just took some cardstock. You can also use construction paper or any kind of paper, really. And I found this picture of a bear out of this National Parks magazine that I absolutely love because I love animals. So I went ahead and decided what size do I want my card. I folded it and cut it. And then I cut out this white to kind of make the background really pop. And so I went ahead and glued them both on with my glue stick, and voila, there's a card. And guess what? I can give this to another animal lover. It may be a friend, a family member, it could be a neighbor. And I can write an encouraging note on the inside. So go ahead and give it a try today. Make a card. It's so easy, and you can encourage somebody. Bye!